Definitely not. In fact, we have rain chances in the forecast every day through the end of the week, but I do have some better news for the weekend. So a little bit of a give and take here in the forecast. Let's talk about what it's doing this morning, though. In the wake of all that rain and the flash flooding yesterday evening, we're now just kind of cloudy and it's on the cool side. You'll notice as you step outside, but cool doesn't always mean comfortable, and it's not all that comfortable outside today. It is very humid, even with the cooler air in place. Temperatures just really not going anywhere today. Taking a look at currents, we're at about 76 in Vineland right now, 74 degrees in Wilmington. We're at 76 in Philadelphia. We have hit 80 down in Smyrna, Delaware, so a little bit warmer there, but let's put the clouds on and you can see just how cloudy it's going to be. We'll run this through the day and it's going to stay overcast. That's going to keep it on the cool side. Areas north and west of the city, we're looking at low 70s in spots like Pottstown and Coatesville right now, and not much better than the mid 70s even later on this afternoon. So let's talk about what to expect. First, though, I want to recap what happened last night. We'll take a look at our rainfall totals across the region, and these were some very impressive numbers, dangerous numbers. In fact, Delran picked up over 7 inches of rain. Ewing, Mercer County, 5.35, Cinnaminson at 4.15, Bristol, Bucks County, almost 4 inches, and over 2.5 in Media and in Nazareth. So this was widespread across the region. It did fizzle a bit before getting into Delaware and parts of extreme South Jersey. That's good news because those are the areas where we're going to see showers kind of focus later on today. Here's the big picture, though. The front that came through last night is still nearby enough to generate shower chances today and tomorrow. And then this is Debbie. That's going to be lifting north, and it's moving a little bit more quickly than it looked at one point, which is some good news for us, especially for your weekend plans. But it looks like Friday is now the target day for heavy rain and storms from Debbie. Today, it's just cloudy. It's cool. Temperatures getting to the mid to upper 70s, but then as showers roll through this afternoon, that'll cool us right back down, and it looks like it could be a bit damp. You'll need the windshield wipers again for your evening commute, but not heavy enough to cause increased flooding concerns for most of us. That may change by Friday as Debbie's moisture gets in. We will likely have another flood watch, and I'll have more on that, and we'll take a look at the timing plus your weekend forecast in just a bit. Jim, I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, Kate. Appreciate it.
I will not subject you to that, Jim, but if you'd like to come in and perform, we've got a lot of space here in the virtual studio. You could do a little performing for us, but let's talk about the forecast. We've got a lot to get to here, and unfortunately, it starts out not so great. We'll start off with a look outside. It is a very cloudy, dreary day, and we're now seeing showers fire up, mainly south of Philadelphia. We're seeing it down the shore. Let's take a live look down the shore, and right now, it does not look very nice here as we see the waves roll in. It is cloudy, it is dreary, there are some sprinkles out there as well, and this is going to be the case through today and into tomorrow. A look at our current radar, most of the heavy rain and the storms that came through last night out to sea, but now we do still have some showers firing up over Delaware. That's going to be the focus for anything heavy that tries to fall today, which is actually good news because this is the one part of our area that didn't see much last night. So you can get a little bit more and still not see a massive flooding threat today, but showers firing up there in Cumberland and Salem counties as well. Here is Debbie, by the way, and that is going to be lifting northward and impacting us by the time we get toward the end of the week. Friday looks like the target time. Models are coming into much better agreement about what Debbie is going to do. And it's good news for the weekend, but not great news for your Friday commute. Temperatures right now, we're in the mid 70s, and you can see we're not really seeing much in the way of sunshine as we saw on the camera there. So this is pretty much where we'll be stuck today. Temps are not going to get much higher than this, and any showers will knock the temperatures down even further. So let's talk about your forecast highs today. I'm going to pull up our map, and what we're going to pull up here are today's forecast high temperatures, and you can see the difference. So far, 5 out of 6 days here in the month of August have been in the 90s. Today's forecast highs, we're looking at 78 in Millville at best. In Atlantic City, we're looking at the upper 70s as well. And I'm also going to turn on the clouds and the radar so you can see what the day is going to look like. A lot of cloud cover. Don't think we see anything in the way of sunshine today. Scattered shower chances, mainly off to the south early, and then later on this afternoon, you can see around the city a high of just 77, clouds and scattered showers. That will be with us throughout much of the day. So keeping it cool, but still on the humid side. It's not crisp and comfortable, unfortunately. We wish it were, but over the weekend, we do have some better stuff to look forward to. Let's go ahead and take a peek at what's happening weather-wise. Again, as we go through the afternoon, we're looking at cloudy, cool conditions, scattered showers out there today. We'll keep it cloudy and cool tomorrow with showers, especially early. There may be a period of drier weather tomorrow evening. as Debbie's moisture begins to lift into western Pennsylvania. And then Friday is our next weather alert day. Heavy storms from Debbie, flooding concerns once again. But here's the good news. It's going to move out faster than it looked at one point, and we have improving conditions with lowering humidity for Saturday. So let's time this out. Here's Debbie. The front that came through last night stalled off to the south. Heavy showers here over Delaware, scattered showers further north all day long. And tomorrow morning's commute looks a bit wet as well, with scattered showers and some localized downpours. Tomorrow afternoon, a little bit drier, but here comes Debbie's rain. Heaviest is over central Pennsylvania Friday morning. We will get a line of heavy storms with the threat for flash flooding Friday afternoon into Friday evening. But here comes that next front. It's going to sweep Debbie's moisture out to sea pretty quickly, and we will clear the skies just in time for your weekend plans. So Saturday trending much, much nicer. We've dropped the next weather alert for Saturday. So Debbie's rain here Friday, heavy thunderstorms throughout the afternoon, but then look at this stretch, and we deserve it. Sunshine, low 80s, Saturday through Tuesday. Jim, I'll send it back to you.
Thank you, Kate.